Hi, this is Juliana Erickson. I'm a doTERRA wellness advocate, and I want to share some things that I love to do. I love to do DIYs, make your own stuff. And I've been doing this, gosh, for maybe 20 years. No, I've been doing it since my 20s. I've been doing it like 40 years. Anyway, that tells you about how old I am. Regardless, I appreciate you taking a few minutes to join us, and I'm going to, within 5 minutes, I'm going to show you how to make your own foaming hand wash. I want to mention that the reason, in case it's fun to do this, but it's also a way to save money, and it's also a way to be creative. So you can make your, you can make different blends. Like today I'm going to make peppermint and melaleuca. You can make wild orange. You can make petitgrain and lang lang, which is wonderful calming. You can make your own On Guard, whatever blends you want with the essential oils. But the main thing is that none of them have the quote fragrance in it. When you see fragrance as an ingredient on something, don't buy it, because that has so many studies showing that it's really bad for your health. It's they're hormone disruptors, fragrance are, and they're usually phthalates and parabens. So no fragrance. So why do it when you've got this? And like I said, it's inexpensive, it's creative, and it's fun. So let's just start. So the ingredients you're going to need are an empty foaming wash bottle. These are you can get these from doTERRA, but you can buy these anywhere. You can buy glass ones at the store, but they've got a wide open top, and they've got this so you can actually make your own foam. Okay, there's that, and then we're going to need the unscented liquid Castile soap. I use Dr. Bronner's, and I just happen to have the peppermint. So even though it's not a lot of peppermint, I'm going to add some more peppermint to it. So that's Dr. Bronner's. And then fractionated coconut oil. This I get from doTERRA, but you can get whatever version you want. Fractionated coconut oil adds a nice softness and silkiness to it. All right, and then water and your favorite essential oils. So that's it. The Castile soap, the fractionated coconut oil, and your essential oils, and then this bottle. So this is one I've already finished. It's, people think, well, I've got soap. Well, I don't like sharing my soap with other people, their germs and stuff. So this is a way you can put it in the guest room, and everybody has, their own soap, and they don't have to worry about spreading germs around. Plus, this will kill some germs. All right, so here we go. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to put 1 tablespoon, of the fractionated coconut oil. So I've got that in. That's 1. Pour that in. And then you're going to take 2 tablespoons of the unscented liquid Castile soap. In this case, it's peppermint, but anyway, you can use whatever one you want. So there's 2. All right, that's it. Then I'm going to take the 5 drops of melaleuca and 5 drops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And why am I using melaleuca? Well, melaleuca is an antiseptic, and it's also anti-inflammatory and soothes the skin. So it's just a nice thing to have in the bathroom, I think. And then the other one I'm using is peppermint, partly because I have the peppermint, but also it's also antiseptic and antimicrobial. So I'm going to put 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so there's that. And then then I'm going to add water, and you add enough water so you don't want to fill it up, because you want to leave room for the foaming thing. So there's that. And then you put the top on it, and that's it. That's all it is. So I've made my own, and I like it that I can't find these in the store anywhere. I love making things that I can't find anywhere. So that's it. Hey, Jennifer. Anyway, so that's it. If you have any questions and I'm going to put the recipe down in the comment box. So if you have any questions on how to do this, or if you want to share your own blends, I'd love to hear what blends you make. Anyway, next Tuesday at noon, I'm going to be doing how to make your own whipped body butter, lavender whipped body butter. So see you next Tuesday at noon, and thanks a lot. Bye-bye.